Travel is virtually not possible over eastern North Dakota, except for maybe the very far northern Red River Valley. I-29 is closed in North Dakota. I-94 is closed from Fargo to Bismarck. You are simply not allowed to travel on those roads. Over the rest of the area, especially southeast North Dakota, there is no travel advised, and that goes up to the area up around Grafton, Grand Forks County, out to Nelson County, and in southeast North Dakota, it goes almost all the way out to the Missouri River. Roads are not closed so far in northwest Minnesota, but many roads have no travel advisories out, particularly within the Red River Valley and throughout Becker, northern Ottertail County, where things are just very snow-covered, slush-covered, terrible road conditions. The blizzard will continue today. Tonight, Sunday night, the snowfall will become more banded and sporadic and definitely lighter, and the wind will diminish some, but it's not going to quit blowing. We'll have blowing and drifting snow all night. I am not confident that the freeways that are closed will get opened until sometime on Monday. And even on Monday, there will still be areas of blowing snow. And many areas in eastern and central Minnesota that have not had a snowstorm yet will get a few inches of snow and some wind and very icy travel conditions on Monday.